She's making fish francese. Francese, most people eat with chicken. It's where you do kind of a half of a breading procedure. There's no breadcrumb. You dredge it in flour first, and then in eggs, no breadcrumb. I think that's all we can fit. Maybe just one more, and then let those go. I add lemon juice, grated Parmigiano Reggiano, and a little garlic, granulated garlic, to the egg. Then into olive oil and butter, and cooks till it's golden on each side. And we're gonna serve it with orecchiette, or little ear pasta. And we're going to toss that with a broccoli rabe pesto. Little ears are perfect for this dish, but any shortcut pasta will do. So we've got our pasta cooking. For the sauce for that, we're gonna use a little white wine and lemon. For the base for our pesto, we're going to par cook in salted boiling water 1 large bunch of rapini. For the nuts for this, we make this in my family with Sicilian pistachios, because my mom is a little Sicilian lady. It's also delicious. I've made it with hazelnuts. We throw them in the oven, let them toast for a couple of minutes. Then, of course, you cool them before you put them into the pesto sauce. Come on back and we'll make pesto together right after this. So, we took the fish out. It's staying warm under foil. We made fish francese instead of chicken francese. So it's just egg and cheese coating just flour-dusted fish in this case. Elise is making a light lemon sauce. We melted butter, added a little Wondra, superfine flour. She's adding a little lemon juice and wine. Don't forget the wine.
I did it.
Okay. Put some more wine. Wine and lemon juice. Let that thicken up a little bit. And I put some sliced lemons in. And right before we serve, we pour this over the fish. Here is our 1 bunch of broccoli rabe, which we parboiled, right, to get the bitterness out. Dry it, throw it in the food processor. Add some garlic, some chili paste or chili flakes. I have Calabrian chili paste. Spice it up. Both pecorino and Parmigiano cheese. Our toasted pistachios go in. Pulse, pulse, pulse. And then stream in your olive oil while that's on. This is to marry the pasta to the sauce. Got to take one last break. Hurry back, you're gonna miss what it looks like when it's all done. Elisa's finishing the fish francese by drizzling the lemon butter wine sauce down over the top. I just added half a mug of starchy cooking water to our pesto, our broccoli rabe pesto. Tossing that with all of our orecchiette, or little ear pasta. Beautiful. Nice, simple, good supper. A little parsley over the fish. Pistachios.
Wow, that is so good.
Yeah.